Good morning, everybody. It is 6:35 a.m. and I have just got my workout in. Did you get yours in? I hope so. Day one of the challenge. I'm feeling great. It was a struggle to get up this morning, but I'm happy I did it. And look at how beautiful it is outside. Let me show y'all. I'm going to show you how I get my breakfast in the morning. So right after the workout, I am a mom of two. I have to make lunches in the morning, get the kids off to school, and then I come back and then get myself ready. And so I don't have very much time in the morning. And in fact, one of my challenges during this transformation challenge is going to be to get up earlier before everyone in the house wakes up and get my me time in so I can get my workouts done, completed way ahead of time. And so to help with that, here's an easy breakfast that I'm almond coconut milk, collagen peptides, and 1UP nutrition coconut ice cream. And I'm going to also put in a banana and some ice. And then I also have some CLA that I took, just one of those today. And I probably take about 4 of those. All right, so here we go. Let's put this together. 1 scoop protein powder. And I already have my ice in here. Should probably get my milk in there. So here is my milk, 1 cup of that. And then 1 scoop of my collagen peptides. Oop, we don't want you baggy. Okay. All right. And then a banana. Right, and I've already broken up the banana, so there we go. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I'm not the biggest fan of protein powder because the way and the texture, I'm not sure what it is, but I just am not the biggest fan. Okay, so here we go. This protein powder is probably one of the best protein powders that I've tasted. I love the coconut ice cream flavor. I haven't tried any of the others yet, but this flavor is bomb. So get you some because trust me, you're gonna love it, especially blended. That's my favorite way. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Bomb. All right. Y'all know what time it is. I hope you got yours in. Morning, guys. It is 5:50 a.m. I was supposed to go to spinning class this morning at 5:30, but I was tired and I could not roll out of bed. But guess what? There's no excuses. So I'm about to do my strength training workout from 1UP Nutrition at home and Transform 20 to get my hit in and probably some Turbo Fire. No excuses. BCAAs on deck. I'm about to get mine. Are you gonna get yours? Let's go. Strength training done. I'm about to get in my cardio and do some abs. Here's what I'm about to tackle. My pre-workout's kicking in, y'all. Let's get that hit in. All right, y'all. That's it. Finished it. Hit cardio, abs, done. 7:06, 3:49, got it done. All before the family woke up. If I could do it, you could do it too. That pre-workout is on hit, y'all. Fire. Fire. Get it done.